Hello. Nomad Sculpt is a normal button. Okay, I switch to the Nomad app. Okay, example one. This is a cylinder, and I switch to it, and I'm using the move tool, and the radius you can adjust a little bit, and the intensity. And in this view, when you move it upwards, sorry, I go back, and on the left side you see here's a normal button, normal minus, and we do it without the normal button, and bring it there, and now go to the left view and you see what happens. It's sheaf. It's not on a right axis. And in the front view, when you move this direction, the x or the axis is correct, but you can pick this point in the middle. You can't reach it. And now you switch to this view and turn not the symmetry. You can turn the symmetry off and use the normal function. And now when you bring it up and you go to the side view, now it's correct. Okay. You can also use the drag function and test it with the drag function. Turn the normal off and drag it up, and look what happens. This in the front setting. Okay. Then use the normal function in the drag and do it again, and this happens again. Why? Good question. In the brush settings, you can use the drag, the grab dynamic radius, and grab dynamic intensity. With grab and normal function is on, it works. And now this happens. I go a few steps back and do it again with a move brush. Normal is on. Oh, I have to switch to this object. Move it, and the bottom is not connected. You can switch off connected topology and look what happens. Then it pulls the bottom. Yes, it's pulled. It's moved with it, but yes, there's things you have to test for your own. But it's sometimes useful to check the settings, connected topology, and the normal button on the left side, or where your UI, and you can bring the objects in a straight line in position, and check the drag function with a drag, grab, and grab dynamic radius. What happens? Normal is on, and check the views. What happens? If it works or not. with the intensity it works relatively. And you can also use the symmetry functions with it to make the symmetry work proper, and do things like this to scale something out. Okay, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.